Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have another unboxing, and this one's from England. And I'd like to thank Brian for looking after me and being my proxy address. That's the one thing about collecting razors when you live in Australia, or you just don't live in the UK or America, is you need someone to run as a proxy address for you. So you can send your razors to their address and you'll save money. You'll save a lot of money actually on postage. Right, this looked like it was going to be a simple get in. Could still be yet. It is. So try not to knock over wine bottles. Rightio, let's start with what I think will be the least interesting, and it's not vintage, and it's a Gillette bathroom bag. So now when I travel, I can throw my soaps and razors and brushes and things like that inside of here. So it's not bad. There was someone, I think, in the UK selling these. I had a few, so if you want to jump onto eBay, they might be one or two left. But looks pretty cool. I like it. Let's go with this one next. Ah, I know what this is. Not a razor, but vintage. Let me put knife down. So here we are. Nice little box. Nice little vintage latch. Rightio, hang on a sec. Right, let's start that again. So here we go. There we have it. A sterling silver handle for a brush. Fair size knot in it. Let's see if we can. Looks like a bit of cotton. And on there it looks like WSGN. What do you think? Looks like a W to me, the first one. Beautiful cursive. I think the second letter is an S. I think G and N, the last two are the easiest to distinguish. But it's absolutely beautiful. And I got this at a fair price too at an auction site in the UK. That's Badger. I have no idea if this has been used or not, but bit stiff around there. Half tempted to use this. This is just a beautiful brush. I'm really stoked I've scored this. Rightio. Got the knife. You've got to be careful with this one. Now, this is a Gillette Traveller. I think this is one of the official travel kits that Gillette did. Let's open it up. It's in beautiful condition, the leather. And it's a bit of a dog's breakfast inside here. A new standard of shaving comfort. Put that up there and let you pause the play so you can read it. That seems, there we have a price tag, 31 and 6. Some English friends here help me out what that is. £31, 6. I don't know how to read your money. Here comes the cat. Can't help himself. And a beautiful, I'd imagine, original dispenser. Looks in nice condition anyway. Hasn't been opened. The cat's, hang on, he's trying to go underneath the tripod. Come on, mate. You got to come down. Here you go. Down. And one more. Thank you. So let's see what's inside. And a flare tip. Looks like it's probably, well, it's hard to tell if it's been used or not. Because it might be unused and has just been bouncing around inside here. Now I'll make a call. I reckon this handle is rhodium. Now I have one of these in with the rhodium handle, and I think I've actually got a spare one out in my shed that's rhodium as well, which I will put on the market. So let me just compare. I would say so. They look exactly the same colour. So that would be a rhodium. This is a great score. Rhodium handle. The cat, he doesn't give up. Trust me. Out this comes. Is there any give in it? There's a little bit. What the? Come on. No. No. Gotcha. Rascal. So I will see if I can squeeze something out of this and see if I can shave with it. Oh, maybe not. That doesn't feel like it wants to budge. And last but not least, Gillette brush, which may or may not have been used. Very hard to tell. It feels like boar dressed up as badger. Pure bristles, made in England. Gillette. Oh, Oh, God, look at him. So that's what it looks like inside. Oh, he's under the tripod. Come here. Can we get that there so you can see? So that's inside, so that holds the blade. Brush. Down you go. I reckon that there holds that. Oh, I think I know. And let's put the instructions behind there. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Please leave a like if you so desire, or a subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Okay people, thanks for sticking around. Ciao for now.